Most visitors don't leave your website because they're not interested. They leave because they couldn't get the answer they were looking for fast enough. It's as simple as a customer adds something to their cart, has one tiny question, and couldn't reach anyone for help. Then, they're gone before you can even say hello, and probably moved on to a competitor's site. I get it. You've tried contact forms and you've tried live chat widgets. It's overwhelming, time-consuming, and most tools out there are just crazy expensive and built for large companies with dedicated support teams. And let's face it, today's customers don't want to submit a ticket. They want to chat with you like they chat with their friends. That's exactly why the team at Smashballoon built WPChat, the easiest way to connect your WordPress site with WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and Telegram. So you can turn every conversation into a conversion. But hold on, is this not just another live chat tool? No. Most live chat tools still rely on outdated on-site chat boxes that vanish the moment a visitor leaves your website and charge you per agent or per message, making it unaffordable for small business. WPChat connects your website to the world's most popular messaging platforms. Your visitors see a button, they click, and they're chatting with you on WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, or Telegram. That's huge for your response rate and conversions. You're meeting customers where they are. That builds better customer relationships and instant trust. Plus, no one's waiting around in a browser tab. They can ask a question, close their laptop, and you can still reply later. It turns your WordPress site into a conversation starter. It's also really easy to get started. You can install for free through your WordPress dashboard. And if you need any pro features, WPChat has a simple and affordable annual pricing plans that grow with your business. Okay, but what if you're not online? That's where WPChat's AI-powered smart FAQ comes in. You can preload answers to frequently asked questions, whether that be on shipping info, product details, pricing, or refund policies. It's fully customizable to your business needs. And the AI isn't just copying, pasting responses. It actually understands the different ways people ask the same thing and gives them the right answer 24/7. Well, what does that actually mean? Well, those repetitive questions that take up your time are answered for you. You can spend more time on closing real leads when they come in, and visitors are happier because they feel heard and get their questions answered fast. And here's where WPChat goes next level. It includes chat funnels, where you design automated message flows. Think of this like your sales assistant built into your chat. You can set them up to greet new visitors, ask if they need help choosing a product, suggest demos or free trials, or nudge them to complete checkout or book a call. Now you're not just answering questions, you're guiding customers towards taking action. Okay, sounds good, but how easy is this to match your site and branding? Well, WPChat makes it super easy. You can completely customize your chat assistant. You can change the themes and color schemes, header text and greetings, chat icons and welcome messages, visibility rules to control where your assistant appears. So if you only want it to show on a product page or appear after 10 seconds of browsing, you can do all that. No fancy coding, no additional plugins, all built into WPChat. So with this, your site stays on brand, your chat feels seamless, and your users feel like they're actually talking to you, not some generic widget or third-party tool. If you've got a team, WPChat is ready for that too. With it, you can add multiple agents, set availability hours, route messages to the right person automatically, plus you get built-in analytics right inside WordPress, total chats, top FAQs, agent performance, best times to engage. That's everything you need to optimize your support flow and boost conversions without jumping into another dashboard. Now you might have thought live chat is only for the big guys, SaaS companies with support teams around the clock, but WPChat changes the game. It makes real-time engagement accessible for WordPress users like you, whether you're a blogger, shop owner, or service provider. And most importantly, it helps turn conversations into conversions, even when you're not online. Because when your chat is smart, branded, and connects where your customers already are, you're not chasing leads anymore. They're coming to you. So make sure you check out WPChat. It's a fantastic tool. The link's in the description below for that. I'm Ryan, this is WP Beginner, and I'll see you in the next video.